Hello, Griffins. Check it. Acid-base indicator lab. There is your reference table M. You're going to need that. So you're going to need your reference tables with you, most likely. Put to reference table M. That's down here somewhere. Oh, there he is. Reference table M. You're going to need this, and you're going to use this exclusively in lab today. So, background. What is an indicator? We defined that in our vocabulary. What is an indicator? Tell me a little bit about table M and how it works. How do you read table M? Put that in your background. Okay? The purpose of today's lab, you will have two solutions. You'll have solution number 2 and solution number 1. And you are going to try to tell me what the pH is of each of these solutions. First, is it acid or base? And second, can you narrow down a range of possible pHs that it could be, okay? One of our tools, weld plate, okay? So now let's get into the procedure. So you're gonna come on up. Once you have kind of gotten to this piece, so here's your data. I think that it might help you if in between, see methyl orange and methyl orange, if in between, if you write down maybe a little bit of the information off of this chart. Otherwise, you're just gonna at least need the chart either way, okay? The table. So for sample 1, methyl orange, so we're gonna take sample 1, you're gonna come get some of this from me, and I'm gonna put, say, 5 drops, and 5 drops. If I see it change color already, then there's a problem. So that just means this thing isn't clean, okay? So if you see it change colors, that's bad. You're gonna go 5 drops into each one, make sure you know what you're doing, or where you're putting stuff. See how I'm changing colors? Not good. I'll have clean ones for you, okay? So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna take each of your indicators. So the first one says methyl orange, and you're gonna take your methyl orange, and you're gonna pop it into your 2 drops of indicator. Notice I didn't touch the indicator down in there, and then I'm gonna record its color change. Now based on methyl oranges, this is what I was saying before, based on methyl orange's color, if I see that it comes up a certain color, I might want to color in that range with that color. So I know it's somewhere in there, you see what I'm saying? And in this one, it's gonna be, somewhere over here. And then eventually you're gonna be able to come across with a line that says, hey, it's in this range. Does that make sense? Kinda? I want you to do that for both sample 1, clean this bad boy, come back and do sample 2, do it all over again. And then you have your questions. So it's going to analysis. What is the possible pH for solution 1? What is the possible solution or pH for solution 2? Then I actually want you to pick a pH based on your range that you picked and back calculating. Here's some calculation stuff to help you figure out molarity and pH and how to use the negative log and take one of the pHs and come up with the actual concentration and molarity of H+ ion in that solution. Okay? And then, of course, your CEI. So, purpose of the lab is to tell me what the unknowns are, acid or base, of course, right? Then I'm going to say solution 1 has a possible pH range of, boom, making it a, boom, acid or base. And I'm not going to throw those numbers out. I don't want you just copying those things, okay? But that should be fairly self-evident. So solution 1, solution 2, what the range is based on your data, classify it as an acid or a base. Cite how the combination of your indicators helps you predict a pH value, your data and evidence. So talk about your data and how it matched up and which ones you feel more confident about. Then this interpretation has to do with your pH value you picked here. Use a possible pH value to estimate the concentration of hydronium ion in solution, and you are done with the indicator lab. And that's it. Peace out.